Hello, everyone. If you are ready to break free from our daily grind with a vacation, but even the idea of a vacation, that even kind of sounds a little stressful. We're going to solve all of that because fun by the pool, great food, a relaxing spa treatment, and much more is all just a car ride away at the We-Ko-Pa Resort. And with their Summer Splash Staycation specials, even your wallet isn't going to feel stressed out. Menke's here to tell us, Mark. Thank you so much for coming back.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
I love that because when I say thinking about, you know, a vacation, you're thinking airlines and this and that. You're like, okay, that's already stressing me out. I love you guys are right up the road. We're going to tell everybody about the fabulous things, but in general, tell me about the resort.
The We-Ko-Pa Resort is an independently owned golf resort. We are owned by the Fort McDowell Yavapai Nation. We are proud to say every year we've been open for 13 years, we've earned the coveted AAA Four Diamond Award.
Congratulations, by the way. I love that we're getting this wonderful video showing how wonderful it is there. I did mention, oh, and good timing, I mentioned about having fun poolside. You guys always throw the best fun things to do.
Lots to do. Yeah. Now through Labor Day weekend, we have, you know, food, drink specials, games for the kids, dive-in movie, DJ. We have horseshoes, a putting green, we have cornhole, something to do. So if you're not swimming or lounging, you can find a game to, you know, take up your time.
And I love that you mentioned stuff for the kids. Yes. Bring the whole fam.
Whole family.
Yeah, the kids will definitely be worn out by the end of the night. Exactly. They'll just crash out, which is like every parent's dream. Yes. Exactly. My dream, of course, is to go to a resort and then eat, and then eat some more. And you guys take care of me there also.
We do. We have the poolside bar and grill, but we also have the Inala Mesquite room. We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's Arizona cuisine with a Southwest twist.
And again, we have the beautiful view of the restaurant. Everything looks so gorgeous. I love these videos. It makes me mentally, I'm on vacation thinking about it. I can't wait to get over here. And you guys also have your wonderful spa.
We do. Amethyst Spa and Boutique. We offer lots of services, facials, manicures, pedicures, hairstylists. We could do stone massages, reflexology, golf massages, a little bit of something for everybody.
Did you say golf massages?
I did.
Wow.
Golfers.
I was like, we could do a massage for any reason. I love that. But also, if we have maybe a gamer or somebody that wants to try their luck, you guys aren't far from the casino.
No, you walk out our door and walk in the casino doors.
Yeah.
Play bingo, blackjack, poker, or try your hand at one of 900 slot machines.
Really, when I say you could do everything and kind of make it a staycation, you don't have to go far for everything. I know we said golf, massage. Can I golf?
Yes, we have the We-Ko-Pa Golf Club just across the street. 2 18-hole award-winning courses, both top ranked in the public courses of Arizona, top 10. And this year we're ranked in the top 50 of the ranked 100 courses by Golf Week magazine.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Look at you guys. So this is what I'm imagining. You know, my husband golfs. I don't golf. So the hubby could go do some golf. Yes. I could do a spa. The kids are doing some activities by the pool. We're all kind of doing something, get back together. We're going to go to the restaurant.
Yes, for some dinner.
Look, it's all done and it's all right there, which is what I love about you guys. I also mentioned our wallet's not going to hate us. No. Because you take care of us during the summertime.
We do. We have 2 specials. A one-night stay, rates as low as $99, waived resort fee of $25. You can get 25% off those spa services that we mentioned, and a $10 casino free play per room per stay. Or make it a weekend, stay 2 nights, $189. You have the same resort fee waived, same spa discount, same casino free play, but you get that $50 food and beverage credit to use by the pool or in Inala.
I mean, it's just mathematics. If you look at what you're getting off and what you're paying for the room, it's almost like a wash.
It is.
So that's why this is like a great package to take advantage of. How long is this package going to run until?
Through Labor Day weekend.
Through Labor Day week. So Labor Day weekend will be the time that we'll know to come and get that.
Exactly.
Where are you guys? When I say a car right away, where exactly are you guys located?
2 hours north. We're in Scottsdale. We're nestled in the Sonoran Desert, so we have tranquil, beautiful mountainous views. We're not too far from Scottsdale and Phoenix, so if you want to enjoy what's going on there, maybe catch a baseball game or something, so you can come up and enjoy a different part of Arizona.
And that's what I mean by it's so easy. Just take a car ride up, pick something, and you're right. You guys are kind of nestled in a good spot where we could check out a bunch of stuff.
Exactly.
If we wanted to leave the property.
You don't have to leave.
That's what I really do love about you guys. Everything is right there.
Yes.
So if I want to, of course, take advantage of these specials, do I just give you guys a call?
Give us a call or visit our website, weekapawresort.com.
So either way, both of those are available if you want to come up for a one-night stay. Do both.
Do
Make
both.
it a weekend.
Yeah.
We deserve it. That's what I always keep saying. I'm going to go back over these specials, and I'm going to tell them actually you guys are doing something even more awesome for us. You guys are giving away a 2-night stay. I'll tell them how they could possibly get that. Thank you so much for coming in. I did my little mini vacay right now while I was with you watching everything. For everyone at home, you guys take advantage of the 1 or 2-night summer splash packages that we just discussed. To book your reservation, log on to weekapawresort.com or give them a call 480-789-5300. But like I was saying, you could also win a 2-night stay at the Weekapaw Resort. Just log on to kega9.com/contest, and that's where you enter to win that.